Chapter 6, page number 89. So let's play a game today. Meow game. To play this game, what we need so many children. And the rule of this game is a player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divided 3 has to say meow. It means instead of multiples of 3, we have to say meow. Like 1, 2, not 3, meow. 4, 5, not 6, meow. So 7, 8, not 9, meow. Okay, so which numbers did you replace with meow? 3 meow, 6 meow, 9 meow, 12 meow. So read the table here and write it same. So 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. I wrote it up to 60. It means 20 times 3 will be 60 here. Okay, now if we just replace the number 3 with the number 4, what will be the multiples of 4 then? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. Oops, not 18, 20, then 24. So the multiples of 4 will be this and so on. So if we replace these numbers, the multiples of 4 with meow, so it will be 1, 2, 3 meow, 5, 6, 7 meow, 9, 10, 11 meow. So all these numbers will be meow. So all these were the multiples of 3 and these are the multiples of 4. Now write any 10 multiples of 5. It means you have to write the table of 5 up to 10. Like this. Okay. Why up to 50 only? 5 times are 50? Because the question is saying any 10 multiples of. It can be any 10 multiples, but I just wrote it in the systematic way. Now on page number 90, there is a dice game again. Okay. In this game, what you have to do, you have to rotate the dice. This is the dice that handmade dice, a cube that has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 up to 6. Now in this game, you have to throw 2 dice together, but I have one this time. Okay. So what I will do, I will just throw this dice 2 times. Then we'll note the number. Okay. The 4. And second time 6. So 4 and 6 together will make 46. It can be 46 or it can be 64 too. Now the game is saying that you have to make such number that it should be a multiple of either 4, 5, 6 or 7. Now 46 is not the multiple of 4, neither 5 and 6 and not even the multiple of 7 here. So what we will do, we will not take this number but we will take 64. And now tell me, 64 is the multiple of which one? Yes, 64 is the multiple of 4. So we will write 64 here. So this way you have to play this game and just play this game with your siblings, with your brother or sister and then find that who will be the winner. The one who write more numbers in 10 rounds, he or she will be the winner here. Now common multiples. This we have discussed earlier even, but let's do it again. Okay, think of any number. If it is multiple of 3, then we have to write it in the red one. And if it will be the multiple of 5, then it has to be written in the blue circle. So let's take a number, let's say 20. Now you tell me 20 is the multiple of which number, 3 or 5? How do we find this? I thought a number 20. Now to see which this 20 is the multiple of 3 or 5, what we will do, we will divide this by 3 and then 5. Now 3 6 are 18. Here 2 will be the remainder. And when divided by 5, 5 4s are 20. It is completely divided. Thus, we can say that 20 is the multiple of 5. This is first method, and the second method will be we will do the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 20 is not coming here in the table of 3, but in 5 20 is coming. 5 4s are 20. So 20 will be the multiple of 5 here. So we will write 20 in blue circle. Then think of 9 will be the multiple of 3. Then 12 will be the multiple of 3, and then 15 will be the multiple of 3, and yes, of course, the multiple of 5 here. 10 will be written here. 30 will be the multiple of 3 and 5, yes, of course, and then 21 will come here, And then 60. 60. 23s are 60. So 60 will be written here. And 12 5s are 60. So again 60 will be written here. So observe these multiples very carefully. Some numbers are repeated in 3 and 5 again here. Like 15 is here. Okay. 30 is here. And then 60 is here. So all these three are the common multiples of 3 and 5. So what we will do, we will write these three numbers in the shaded portion here when the two circles come upon each other. Like this. Now the question is saying which is the smallest among these common multiples. Which one is the smallest? 15, 30 or 60? 15 is the smallest common multiple here. So we will write 15. Now let's repeat the game using the numbers 2 and 7. We will write the multiples of 2 here and the multiples of 7 here. Now I did the same for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. And here 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. Now when we join the two circles here, we can see this portion is common in both circles. So we will shade this portion and then we will write all the common multiples here. So the common multiples of 2 and 7 will be 14 and then 28, okay, then 70 and yes, 42. So all the circled numbers here are the common multiples of 2 and 7. We will write the same in this box like this. Now LCM of 2 and 7. LCM, where it comes from and what is this LCM? L is least, C is common and M is multiple. Least common multiple. Least means the smallest one. So LCM means least common multiple of 2 and 7. So these all are the common multiples of 2 and 7. And among these common multiples, which one is the least? Which one is the smallest? 14. So we will write 14 here. So LCM of 2 and 7 will be 14. Okay? Least common multiple. Now repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 5 and 6 in the circles. 5 in green circle, 6 in yellow and the pink one will be the multiples of 7. Now first of all start writing the multiples of these three. Sorry beta, this pink is the circle of 4. Now like 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on up to 60. And then 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on and up to 60. And then 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on up to 60. Now what you have to do, observe these circles, these shaded portions very carefully. This portion will be the common portion of 5 and 6. This will be the common portion of 4 and 6. This purple portion will be the combination of 4 and 5. It means the common portion. So write the common multiples of 5, 6 here, 4, 6 here and 4 and 5 here. For 5 and 6, common will be 30 and 60. For 4 and 6, 12. 24, 36 and 48 and 60 like this. And for 4 and 5, 20 and then 40 and then 60. Now, and this gray portion is the common portion where all these three circles lies. So here we will write the common multiples of all the three numbers here, 4, 5 and 6. So find the common here. Only 60 I can see the common. So we will write 60 here. Okay, so in green part we wrote 30 and 60. In the orange portion, we wrote 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60 like this. And in which colored part did you write the common multiples of 4, 5, 6? What is this color? This is the gray color. Gray color. Now, what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? We found only one multiple here out of so many multiples. So, and this is the smallest one also. So, we will write 60. Now, the question arises, why I took the multiples of these three numbers up to 60 only. Why? And how do we come to know that up to which number we have to take the multiples of? है ना? नहीं समझे? मतलब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मुझे कहां तक के मल्टीपल्स को लिखना है कि मेरा स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल आ जाए? तो इसका मतलब तो कई बार जब मुझे नहीं पता होगा तो क्या मैं इनफाइनाइटली ले लूं? है ना? So very tricky question. Okay, let's find another way to find the LCM of the numbers. So for finding the LCM of 4, 5, 6 LCM, what we will do? We have another idea or we have another plan. What we will do? We will write these numbers as, क्योंकि ये तीनों अलग numbers हैं, we will put comma in between. ठीक? Now एक simple सी line इस तरह से लगा लो ताकि ये तीन numbers यहाँ वाले numbers से अलग हो जाए, डिफरेंट हो. अब हम क्या करेंगे? आपने इससे पहले डिवीजन इस तरह से किया ना, बट अब हम डिवाइड इस तरह से करेंगे. एलसीएम के लिए ये मेथड करना आपको इसमें डिवीजन ही है, बट इन दिस मेथड इसमें इस तरह से करोगे तो आप एक ही की डिवीजन कर पाओगे. यहाँ हम 3 की इकट्ठे करेंगे. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू स्टार्ट इट विद द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो वैसे तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 1. 0 से तो हम करेंगे नहीं 1, लेकिन 1 तो सबकी ही टेबल में आ जाता है, तो फिर 1 लेकर के कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो हम 1 नहीं लेंगे. 1 के बाद वी विल स्टार्ट इट विद 2. हमेशा 2 से स्टार्ट करो. अगर ये 2 से नहीं होंगे देन 3 से करो, 3 से भी नहीं होंगे देन 4 एंड देन इस तरह से. लेकिन स्टार्टिंग हमें सबसे छोटे नंबर से करनी है. सो 2 हियर. नाउ टेल मी, क्या 4 2 की टेबल में आता है? 2 2s are 4. बिल्कुल आता है. 2 and 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करके. क्या 5 2 की टेबल में आता है? नो, नहीं आता. तो 5 नहीं आता तो 5 को एज इट इज रहने दो. क्या 6 2 की टेबल में आता है? यस, आता है. 2 3s are 6. तो आपको देखना है किसको, इस 2 को कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करूं कि ऊपर वाला नंबर आए. और अगर ऊपर वाला नंबर नहीं आता उसकी टेबल में तो उसको एज इट इज लिख देना है. अब इसके बाद आप दोबारा प्रोसीड करो. अब ये तीनों किसी और की टेबल में तो आएंगे नहीं, 2 2 की ही टेबल में आएगा. 2 1s are 2. 5 नहीं आता, 3 भी नहीं आता. देन 5 5 की ही टेबल में आएगा. 5 1s are 5. ये 1 तो 1 ही रहेगा. 3 नहीं आता, 3 का 3 रहेगा. देन 3 1 1 3 1s are 3. ओके, इसमें अगर 3 ऊपर लिख लेती मैं तो ज्यादा बेटर होता है ना. चलो अभी हो गया, नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं करेंगे इसको ऐसा. पहले हम 3 से कर लेंगे. अब यहाँ देखो, यहाँ तीनों 1 आ गए. इट मीन्स रिमाइंडर 1 है. जब ये नीचे 1 1 1 हो जाए इट मीन्स कि ये आपका एंड है. ओके, इससे ज्यादा आपको सॉल्व नहीं करना है. तो ये जो हमारे पास यहाँ वाले नंबर्स हैं इनको जी आप यहाँ नीचे लिख लो. 2 2 5 को मैंने लास्ट में लिखा है. 3 and 5. आपको क्या करना है? एलसीएम निकालने के लिए इन यहाँ वाले जो नंबर्स है इन्हें आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाउ स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग इट. 2 2s are 4. Then 3 and 5. 4 3s are 12. 5 रह गया. And 12 5s are 60. Now tell me, यहाँ भी तो LCM 60 था और यहाँ भी LCM 60 आ गया. तो अगर कभी आप बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाओ और आपका कॉमन मल्टीपल फाइंड ही नहीं हो रहा हो, then you can use this method even. Let's take another example. LCM of 3 6 and 9. प्लेस कर दिया इसको इस तरह. नाउ मैंने आपको बोला था स्मॉलेस्ट से स्टार्ट करना है, तो 2 से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. 2 3 विल नॉट कम इन द टेबल. 2 3s are 6, है ना. तो वी विल राइट 3 हियर. 9 नॉट कम इन द टेबल, सो 3 9. नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? अब अगेन 2 से करूं क्या? लेकिन ये तीनों ही 2 की टेबल में नहीं आते, तो फिर 2 तो नहीं होगा, तो हम 3 ले लेते हैं. 2 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 का. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 मोर. अब यहाँ और यहाँ तो 1 हो गया, इसका भी 1 नहीं हुआ. ये 1 कब होगा? जब हम 3 1s are 3 ले लेंगे. ये तो ऑलरेडी 1 था, ये भी ऑलरेडी 1 था. सो इट विल बी द एंड हियर. तो यहाँ पर कौन कौन से नंबर्स थे यहाँ लिखेंगे. कैलकुलेट देन. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So 18 will be the LCM of 3 6 and 9. Like 3 numbers, we can also take the LCM of 2 numbers. ठीक है, 2 नंबर की भी हम LCM ले सकते हैं. सेम वे से 11 and 13 लिखा. नाउ हम स्टार्ट करेंगे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से. स्मॉलेस्ट इज 2. तो 2 की टेबल में नहीं आते. ओके, लेफ्ट. देन 3 की टेबल में भी नहीं आते. देन अगेन क्रॉस. 4 में भी नहीं आते. 5 में भी नहीं आते. 6 में भी नहीं आते, है ना. तो अरे, तो ये तो किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आते. इट मीन्स कि मुझे 11 से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. 11 1s are 11. 13 एज इट इज लिख लेंगे. देन 13 भी किसी और की टेबल में नहीं आता, ओनली 13 की ही टेबल में आता है. तो 13 1 जार 13. तो अब ये एंड हो गया बिकॉज हियर 1 1 आ गए. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 11 एंड 13. And when we will multiply these two, what we will get? 143. You can multiply this and match your answer. Okay, तो like the three numbers, आप two numbers का भी LCM find कर सकते हो. But you have to start from the smallest one. अगर वो smallest से नहीं होता फिर आप धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Okay.